Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're not receiving the Bumble verification code, it is a common issue and usually very easy to fix. First, go ahead and check that the number you have put in is correct, including the country code. After that, make sure your phone has signal and can receive messages from SMS. Wait at least 1 minute before requesting another code. Requesting codes can fast Requesting codes too fast can cause temporary block delivery. Disable any spam filters or SMS blocking apps on your phone. Also, turn off VPN and try again. If the code still does not arrive, go ahead and restart your phone and request a new code. In some cases, switching to mobile data instead of Wi-Fi helps. Most verification issues are caused by network or SMS blocking settings, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.